Yo, welcome back to another video. We're going to make this one short and sweet and straight to the point. This is a video of how to turn off your amp. Say that you're trying to do some maintenance, swap out speakers. I'm going to show you that today. So let's dive right into it. There are a couple different ways that you can shut off this amp. First is by removing the fuse and the line, or by simply just disconnecting your remote wire. You're probably wondering, what is the remote wire? Typically the remote wire is a blue wire. For this amp, this is located right here. It's this little small blue wire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these screws out right here. And then what I'm gonna do is just remove this remote wire. Now, what this remote wire does is, this is the on and off button from your head unit that tells the amp to cut on and to cut off. By disconnecting this completely, by doing that right there, your amp will not cut on. So now you don't have to worry about anything. So I'm just gonna stick it up under here, off to the side. I'm gonna tighten this back down so I don't lose it. And now your amp is off. So now when you go and you cut your vehicle on, you don't have to worry about the amp cutting on at all. If you want to go the extra mile, you can always remove the fuse, but typically just removing the remote wire will keep this off, and then you don't have to mess with a bunch of stuff. But this is a quick how-to video. Like, comment, subscribe for more cool tips and other cool content. You never know what we're going to upload next on here. Also, if you would like to support the channel and you would like a Planet Audio amp, Anarchy Edition, 2400 watts, go down to the description below to the Amazon link. It helps me create content for the channel, and you will help support Endless so that he can continue buying and reviewing products. But even just a simple like, comment, and subscribe helps out the channel and the algorithm. But this is your boy Endless. Peace.